The goal of every living organism, including plants, is to create offspring for the next generation. One of the ways that plants can produce offspring is by producing seeds. In order for seeds to be created, a process called pollination must occur. The process in which pollen is transferred from the anther to the stigma of plants of the same species is called pollination. Once on the stigma, pollen forms on the sticky surface of the stigma and grows down into the ovule of the plant. Once fertilization has occurred, the ovary becomes fruit, and the ovule becomes seeds. Seeds contain the genetic information to produce a new plant. Seeds can only be produced when pollen is transferred between flowers of the same species. There are two types of pollination: self-pollination and cross-pollination. Self-pollination is the transfer of pollens within the same flower or to another flower on the same plant. Cross-pollination is the transfer of pollen from one flower of one plant to the flower of another plant of the same species. But pollen can't move from plants to plants by itself. It needs help from the pollinators, such as animals, humans, or wind. Self-pollination is less dependent on pollinators and often occurs in bisexual flowers, which have both male and female reproductive parts. Roses, sunflowers, and tomato flowers are examples of self-pollinating flowers. Cross-pollination, on the other hand, is always dependent on pollinators and occurs more in unisexual flowers, which have either a male or female reproductive part. Watermelon flowers and cucumber flowers are examples of cross-pollinating flowers.